If you've ever owned a car, chances are you had to change the tires at least once, leaving you with a dilemma as to what to do with old tires. Thankfully, the times of burning used tires in your yard are long forgotten, and if there's no tire recycling facility near you, these ideas will help you to give your tire a second life. You can copy these ideas, plus your imagination and creativity can guide you to add an artistic touch to these ideas. A hose caddy. Pet bed. To create this large and snug bed for your dog or cat, simply cut out one sidewall of the tire and a portion of the tread area. Complete the bed with a comfy and colorful cushion. Bar table. Umbrella stand. Just scrub clean an old tire, wax to shine, and cut some holes for the umbrellas. Hanging planters. Pendant lights. Make sure to engage a professional electrician to help you with the wiring installation. Bike storage area. Tire garden pond. You'll just need a free weekend, a large tire, rocks, a plastic sheet, and water. Add gnomes, figurines, and attractive plants to create your own splendid garden pond. Mirror frame. Old bicycle tires make a great mirror or picture frame. Kiddie Seesaw. Tyre Chair. Modern bar stools. The comfy cushion seat is supported by a metal pedestal, while the tire is angled as such that it functions as the back and the armrest. Magazine holder. Wheel sink. Sofa. Arty carved tire. Tyre shelves. Garden Tyre Set. A swing set ladder. You just have to choose tires of the same size and you can paint them to match the swing set or leave them plain, just whatever you prefer. Decor tire swing. Garden Swan or any animals. Shoe outsoles. All of the qualities that make rubber tread ideal for tires also make this material perfect for the soles of shoes. Center table. Tire doormat. Bike tire to belt. Roof shingles. Vertical garden. Hanging baskets. Auto pottery. Rubber pillars. Rubber logs have a variety of uses, including retaining walls, highway noise barriers, sandbag replacements for erosion control, and security barricades. Tire chandeliers. Fitness facilities. Tire steps. Solve the case of the slippery slope with these homespun tire steps. Skid-proof steps. Cut your tire and flat it out into strips. Nail it to your steps. Trash bins. Need a trash can? Grab some tires and paint them and stack them. Place a garbage on the inside. Tire subwoofer. Need some bass? There's a subwoofer for that. Christmas tree. Want to make a durable outdoor Christmas tree? Just stack tires of various sizes. Paint and decorate with ornaments. Tire installations. Chopping block support. Stack spare tires on top of or around a chopping block, and those worn-out tires will hold wood rounds in place while you work. The wood stays inside the tire, so you can split smaller and smaller pieces without having to bend over and pick them up each time. Surely one of the first things that came to mind when you thought of repurposing an old tire was a tire swing, right? Well, we saved it for last. Classics never go out of style. Here we have mentioned only 40 ways to upcycle used tires. But there are many other ideas too. Do you have an amazing, creative, and practical tire upcycle idea to add? Write it on the comment section.